Hey, Mignonette here with your down and dirty garden tip. My tip for you today is to plant your seedlings as soon as you get them from the garden center. Now, I've been guilty of buying plants and waiting a little while before I get them in the ground. And one of the reasons why you don't want to wait is because by the time the plant is about 6 to 8 weeks old, the seedlings have used up most, if not all, of their starter fertilizer, and they are very hungry. So make sure you don't hesitate to get them in the ground and give them a really good feeding. The faster you get this in the ground, the sooner that you'll be on the way to an abundant harvest. If this garden tip is helpful, head over to Amphy and sign up for my gardening classes. I would love to be part of your gardening journey. Happy growing.